Looking on the project, our final project in step number 3, I added a new module, a sensor that is called the PIR. It's being used to detect motion, and you can see it's connected with 3 wires. 2 of them are going into the power and ground, and the middle one is the signal that the PIR will provide in case a motion is being detected, and it's going into one of the digital pin in the Arduino, so we'll be able to read that. If I will turn the PIR for a second, so if we look on that, we will see 2 potentiometer that we can change, okay, and one of them is being used to adjust the sensitivity, the distance, and the other one is being used to set up the time that the signal will be up in case a motion is being detected. Okay, so this is also something that you can play and adjust. Okay, put that in our case to minimum. It will be like a few seconds that we will see the LED that are going to be on for a very short time. Okay, so what I will do, I will turn the system up. Okay, we will wait that the system will finish initialization. I will open the serial monitor just to see that as a message that the system is ready. As you remember, we need to put some delay time in the setup function to let the PIR sensor to learn the system. Okay, you see, because I'm close to the sensor, it's actually detecting my movement. If I will pass my hand, of course, it will turn on. As you see, it's being turned on for something like 3 seconds, maybe less. I mean, this is something that we can change. We can go into the PIR potentiometer and play with that and adjust that according to our needs. Okay, that's all. Okay, this is our final project, and this is an example of an external module that we are going to use in all kind of projects that we can build with the Arduino system. So if I will summarize, first we learned to connect 2 push button as a sensor, digital sensor. Okay, the first one is a test button, okay, that will turn the LED on and off. The second one is running a wave animation wave, and the 2 potentiometer are our analog sensor. One of them is for adjusting the speed, and the other one is for adjusting the brightness of the LED. And the last one, the last piece of the puzzle is, of course, the PIR module that provide a way to detect motion.